I'll guide you through understanding how to send money directly to a debit card using card networks like Visa Direct and Mastercard Send, leveraging peer-to-peer apps, setting up international card-to-card transfers, and maintaining security while avoiding unnecessary fees. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Sending money directly to someone's debit card eliminates the need to ask for complex bank account numbers, IBANs, or routing details. Thanks to global card payment networks, funds sent to a debit card are deposited directly into the bank account linked to that card, making transfers fast, convenient, and secure. The most direct way to send money using only a 16-digit card number is through real-time card push payment networks. Here is how it works. Platforms built on Visa Direct or Mastercard Send allow you to route funds straight into the bank account tied to the receiver's debit card. Transfer apps such as Zen.com, Paysend, Revolut, Western Union, or Remitly support direct card-to-card payouts. Here are the step-by-step instructions. Open your chosen money transfer app and select Send Money. Choose Debit Card Transfer as the delivery option. Enter the recipient's full legal name and their 16-digit debit card number. Enter the amount, review any applicable fees or exchange rates, and tap Confirm and Send. Now let's explore sending with peer-to-peer apps such as Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, and Zelle, which appear within minutes. For everyday domestic transfers between friends and family, P2P digital wallets offer an easy bridge to debit cards. You send money using the recipient's username, phone number, or email address. Once the money arrives in their app balance, the recipient can select cash out or transfer and choose their linked debit card. Instant transfer pushes money to the debit card in seconds for a small percentage fee, typically between 1.5% and 1.75%. Standard transfer is free of charge but takes 1 to 3 business days via standard ACH bank transfer. Always verify the 16-digit card number and the exact name printed on the card to avoid payment delays or misrouted funds. To receive money, the recipient only needs to provide their 16-digit card number and full name. Never request or share the card's expiration date, PIN, or CVV's CVC security code. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.